Looking for a spacious, comfortable, and convenient place to stay near Disneyland? Let me show you why the Anaheim Majestic Garden Hotel is an amazing choice. Plus, you can get a discounted rate when you book through my exclusive link below. First, let's talk about the best perks of this hotel. The free Dream Machine shuttle to Disneyland. Here's why it's so amazing. It's a direct route. There's no extra stops at other hotels. It only takes you about 6 minutes to get to Disneyland. It runs all during park hours about every 30 to 60 minutes, and it's completely free for hotel guests. So you don't have to pay for parking over at the Disneyland Resort, no long walks to the park, just a quick and easy ride straight to the Magic. Now let's check out the rooms. First up, this is the standard 2-queen room. These rooms are huge with plenty of space to spread out, plus all of the amenities you need for a comfortable stay. And if you want a little extra Disney magic, the Castle 2-queen room is perfect. The theming makes it feel like a fairy tale getaway, especially for little ones who love castles. This hotel sits on 13 acres of beautifully landscaped grounds, offering plenty of space to roam, relax, and play. Whether you're taking a peaceful stroll through the gardens or watching the koi in the pond, this property feels like a true escape from the hustle and bustle of Disneyland. Looking for a way to unwind, the hotel's pool area is perfect for an afternoon swim or just lounging in the California sun. In the morning, fuel up with a spectacular breakfast buffet at the Garden Court Bistro, or order off the menu for something fresh and delicious. They also serve dinner, making it a great spot for a meal after a long park day. If you need something quick and easy, the California Deli has fresh salads, sandwiches, snacks, breakfast pastries, ice cream, and your favorite beverages. Forgot something? No problem. The hotel's gift shop has souvenirs, travel essentials, and anything you might have left behind. If you're thinking about booking a stay at the Anaheim Majestic Garden, make sure to use my travel partners at Getaway Today to get the best deal on your stay. Use the link in the description or call 855-GETAWAY and tell them Mix in Some Magic sent you for exclusive discounted rates. This property is such a great option for your Disneyland trip. I love it, and I think you're going to love it too. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.